Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with REI-specific dialers like Mojo for appointment setting, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using REI-specific dialers like Mojo for appointment setting, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Start by creating an account on Mojo Dialer's official website. Choose a plan that fits your needs as a real estate investor. Once you have your account, log into the Mojo Dialer dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and locate the dialing options. Next, upload your contact lists into the Mojo system. Format your contact lists according to Mojo's guidelines to avoid upload issues. After uploading, segment your contacts based on criteria like lead source or status. Select the leads you wish to call by filtering your segments accordingly. Prepare your scripts or talking points to use during calls. Now, set up your dialing parameters within the Mojo settings. Choose between manual dialing or power dialing to best suit your calling strategy. If you opt for power dialing, set the number of lines you want to dial simultaneously. Ensure your headset or phone equipment is properly connected and functioning. Once your settings are in place, initiate your first call session. Record notes for each call in the Mojo interface to keep track of leads. If a lead isn't available, use the automated features to leave a voicemail or schedule a follow-up. Monitor your progress through Mojo's analytics tools to evaluate your calling effectiveness. Adjust your strategy based on the data to improve your appointment setting results. Continue practicing and refining your approach to maximize your success with the dialer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.